So what you see me doing here is putting my hair into 4 plaits to get ready to use my Revlon brush hair blow dryer. That's what I call it. And I'm excited to see it because I seen the ad on Facebook. I seen one of my favorite YouTubers, Naptuals85. That's my girl. She don't know that I've been following her for like forever. And I seen her use it, and if she used it on her hair, I'm using it on mine. Yeah, so as you look at the tape, I had almost completed the first section. It looks very soft, it feels very soft, and it wasn't hard to do. So what I like to do is add my Supernatural buttercream first to my hair and make sure I get it in there really good, then blow dry my hair. I notice it's better when you detangle your ends or finger detangle the section as well. Yeah, so as you were looking at the tape, you noticed that the hair blow dryer, brush, blow dryer, whatever it's called, it is just as loud as a regular blow dryer, but it brushes through like a detangle brush. It doesn't detangle. I would recommend detangling a little bit, like I said, but it does work. It's one of those things that it doesn't work or it does work, and it works. What I like about it is it don't take out a lot of hair. My hair is bleached, so put on my Supernatural buttercream, creme de la creme. I want to detangle my ends first with this brush here. It's like already like real hot right here.
gonna make a change in my life.
I'm still cute. Still cute, little bad little something. This is a hairstyle I'm just gonna have to deal with for a little bit till I get to my homegirl shop. For the first time, I got to use this Revlon brush hair dryer thingy, and this is the results that I got out of it. It's just like a regular blow dryer, so your arm is still going to be tired. It just brushes out your hair while it's blow drying versus combing out your hair while it's blow drying. Will I recommend it? I mean, it's just like a regular blow dryer. For some people with I keep saying for some people with less coarse hair, because I have 4C hair, but I bleach my hair so it still get detangled easily. Get tangled easily. Oh God, it's really late. So it still gets tangled easily. So the brush does not detangle my hair. I have to still detangle and then use the brush, and it'll help it go through. I have thick hair. I have a lot of hair. But as you can see, like my back, the back of my hair is still... If you guys are wondering why my hair color is so bad, because it is, watch my 2 previous videos and you'll see what happened when I used Lunatides versus the Adore that's coming in the mail, and the video will be up soon. Brighter. So I want to work on trying to get it all the color that I want it to be. But like I said, I can still work with this. And what else did I use? Okay, so yeah. I used that new Revlon brush. I used the Adore to get it the darker purple, the Adore Platinum, and the Luna Periwinkle Purple. And of course, I use my Supernatural Buttercream that helps as a heat protectant, and it replenishes my hair and make my hair feel awesome. I could never like put enough in my hair. I just love it. Pretty soon my website will be up where you can order your own, and your hair can start flourishing and everything, just like you see mine's doing. Whew. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. This is my first time ever dyeing my hair. It definitely will not be my last, because I still have to get the hair color that I want, which is this darker purple right here all over. So I really don't mind the black coming in. I think black transitioning into this purple is beautiful. I just need to get my hair this purple. All right, guys, God bless you. And yeah. Take care of yourself. Bye.
As I sit here, I reminisce on all that I've gone through. God has been better to me than I've been to myself. I don't do it for money or fame. Don't do this for power or the name. Do this, I do this for life.